Besh! This is our 5th day here in Vietnam. At ngayon, ang gagawin natin activity ay pupunta tayo dun sa may rainbow slide. Excited na ako. Tara! Hi mga Besh! Ngayon nandito kami sa harap ng Pho Ten. This is also a Michelin Beep awardee. Tignan nyo naman kung gaano kahaba yung pila. Tapos umuulan pa. Yan, ganyan kahaba yung pila. Hindi kami makasama sa pila dahil kailangan may payong ka, of course. So, wala kaming dalang payong. Hi mga Besh! Nandito kami ngayon sa Pho Bo, Buncha, and dito kami kakain kasi doon sa Pho Ten, grabe yung pila. Tapos umuulan pa. Hindi kami makapila. Kaya dito na lang kami. So, nilakad namin. This is near the Pho Ten. At titikman natin kung masarap. Combination of pho, fried rolls with pork, rice, and noodles and herbs. Of course, that's the nem ram. And the soft drink, or the drink, whatever we're going to choose, whether it's water or anything. Just like other pho restaurants, their menu is really straightforward. They are selling pho, they're selling buncha, and they're selling nem. And that's it. Which is cool because it only tells us that they're really into focusing what they're really good at. No complicated. That's all. Hi guys, we're going to eat here. Here's the food. We also ordered some nem ram here. Rice rolls. The food is good here. So good. Okay, tanungin natin sila kung kamusta yung experience nila dito sa Sumayon.
Obo.
Tate.
Yeah, as you can see, tinatapos na nila yung kinakain nila. Ako hindi pa. Ang laki ng serving, guys. Tug na ako. Pero masarap. Ano siya, refreshing. Just light lang. Light yung flavor. Kahit yung noodles nila, hindi siya heavy. So yeah, I like it. This one, parang lumpiang gulay ng Pilipinas. Pero kasawa nila mayo. Yeah, I like it.
Okay, so kumain kami ng pho at for me, ano siya, 9 out of 10. Natikman ko. Kasi malasa siya, to be honest. Tapos wala siyang mga gulay-gulay, which is hindi ko talaga gusto. At pinapalinan ko talaga. And then, tawag dyan, yung parang spring rolls nila. Masarap naman. Kaso hindi ko lang siya bet kasi sinasawsaw siya sa mayonnaise. Kasi gusto ko kapag sinasawsaw sa suka.